Hello guys, this is Tawfiq Shabi and welcome back to learning C# scripting in Unity. In this last tutorial of this course, we're gonna cover namespaces. Namespaces are heavily used in C# programming in two ways. First, the .NET framework uses namespaces to organize its many classes. The using keyword is used so that the complete name is not required. Second, declaring your own namespaces can help you control the scope of the class and method names in larger programming projects. Using C#, we can create our own libraries. Now let's go back to Unity and learn how to create our own namespace. But before we do that, let's create a new C# script and call it my library. Inside the code, delete the start and the update functions. When we start creating our namespace, first we need to start with the word namespace, then give it a name. So we're gonna name it my library. Inside of it, let's create a new class that reset our possession. Let's call it possession. This possession class contains a method inside of it that will reset the possession of our game object. Now let's define a new variable, public static vector3, and let's give it a name, reset my possession, and it's gonna return vector3.0. Now let's go back to Unity and create a new class. Let's call it player class. Now we need to access our new library. In order to do that, we need to use the new keyword using. Now we have our library namespace is ready to use. We can access our class on the start method. All we need to do is to access the transform.possession and assign the new variable our class.resetPossession method. Now we have finished working with namespaces. Our C# programming course for the intermediate level is finished. Next, we're gonna be covering some advanced techniques that can help you improving your programming skills under Unity.